Hello everyone. If you want to improve your English speaking, but you don't know what to practice every day, then this video is for you. Many people say, I understand English but I can't speak. The truth is simple. Your English will improve only when you practice it daily. So, today I am going to share my daily English routine that helps me improve my speaking. This routine is very simple. Anyone can follow it. And the best part, you only need 20 to 30 minutes a day. So let's start. The first thing I do every day is listening practice. Listening is very important because it helps your brain get used to English sounds. Every morning I listen to English for 10 minutes. You can listen to English podcasts, YouTube videos, short stories, or simple conversations. But don't just listen passively. Try to understand the meaning and focus on pronunciation. If you don't understand something, pause the video and replay it. Slowly, your brain will start understanding English naturally. The second step in my routine is learning 5 new sentences daily. Not difficult sentences, only simple daily use sentences. For example, I am getting late. Let me think about it. What are you doing right now? I'll call you later. That sounds good. When you learn sentences instead of single words, your brain learns how English is actually spoken. Try to repeat each sentence 3 to 4 times loudly. This will improve your speaking confidence. Step 3, Speaking practice alone. Many people say, I don't have anyone to practice English with. But the truth is, you can practice alone. Every day I speak English for 5 minutes alone. You can talk about your day, your plans, your favorite movie, or what you did yesterday. For example, today I woke up at 7 am. Then I had breakfast. After that, I started my work. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is to speak without fear. Remember, fluency comes from practice, not perfection. Another powerful method in my routine is shadowing. Shadowing means repeating what a speaker says immediately after hearing it. For example, play a short English clip. Listen to one sentence and repeat it exactly like the speaker. Focus on pronunciation, tone, speed. This method helps you sound more natural and confident. Even 5 minutes of shadowing daily can improve your speaking a lot. Step 5, Thinking in English. One big mistake many learners make is translating everything from native language to English. This slows down your speaking. So I try to think directly in English. For example, instead of thinking in native language, think directly in English. At first, it feels difficult, but with practice, it becomes natural. This habit can improve your fluency very fast. Step 6, Review before sleeping. Before sleeping, I quickly review what I learned during the day. I repeat the 5 sentences I learned. Sometimes I also speak them again. This helps my brain remember them better. Consistency is the key. Even 20 minutes of daily practice can bring big improvement in a few months. Remember one thing, no one becomes fluent in English in one day. Everyone starts as a beginner. What if you practice a little every day? Your English will definitely improve. Confidence comes from daily practice. So start your English routine from today. If you want to improve your English speaking, subscribe this channel for daily English tips and practice sentences, and comment below. Start if you are ready to begin your English journey today. See you in the next video.